Hello everyone, welcome back to Blissful Tarot. Today we are going to do another pick a card reading, and today's reading is going to be on will you reconcile with that person on your mind? Um, will you meet them? How will it be? So I'm trying to keep it as detailed as possible. So at the end of the day, it's about cards and its messages. So if you did click on this video, so I really believe there will be a message for you to hear, and I really want to thank you for clicking on this video as well. So if you do like my video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. If you want me to create another video, another pick a card reading on a certain topic, do leave a comment down below. I'll definitely make a pick a card. It really helps me, and your subscription really helps me and it encourages me to create more videos. So without a further ado, let's start with the piles. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. So before I begin with the reading, I do want to give a disclaimer that this is a general pick a card reading, so the messages might resonate or not. Please take it easy, and also do remember that energies are always moving, it's always vibrating. So best things can happen when you switch your vibration. So general and such, do believe that you are the creator of your own life. And let's begin with pile number 1. Okay, will you reconcile with that person on your mind? Let me just keep this a little down. Okay, will you reconcile? The energy that I'm getting is you have been waiting on this person for a really long time, and I really do believe there might be a third party which has been involved in the past and which really broke you, yet you have become stable, being the King of Pentacles. And the messages I'm getting is your person can be single and they're just afraid to approach you back again, because we have the answers you need are coming. So I really do get that impression that you and your person might or did not have any closure regarding this relationship that you had. Since there is no closure, and then they just left you ghosted, or they just left you with more questions which you're still needing answers for. And I think finally you will have the courage, because we've got the Aries symbol here, and the full moon in Aries. So you can have the stability and the willpower to overcome all these, not having the need to get all the answers to move on from life. But will you reconcile with them? I do feel like you will meet them again, but you'll be like, I'm better off without you. So it's that kind of vibe that I'm getting. I'm sorry guys, it's raining outside, so it can be a little disturbing in the audio. So if it's disturbing, I'm really sorry. It's raining here, but yes, that is a vibe I'm getting. You will meet and you will have a conversation, and you will have a conversation if you wanted to, or if not, if you want to ignore, you can ignore, because the power is in your hands. So if you want to give them a chance, I think you can, and if you don't want, and it's up to you. And it's about how much you give them space is what this reconciliation or this union can happen or not. Because if you're willing, you can give space to them to talk to you again. I think it might open a path for your reunion. If you don't want, it will not happen. So the power is in your hands, and you can take the decision for your own good. If you want to reconcile, it's up to you, and I think when you do want it, the universe will help you. So I'm not going to end the reading here. I did take a little oracle cards as an advice for you. I took some crystal cards. So the For your pile, we got 2 cards. This is for you. The advice is for you. So, Phantom Quartz and the Orthocase Fossil. So, have you been? You can ask these questions to yourself. This is a wonderful thing about this deck. This is like a self-answerable questions. So, have you been feeling overwhelmed? Are you been tired? Sort thoughts of feelings, details to make sense of everything. As I said, you need a lot of answers, yet you have moved forward without wanting them, because I feel like the other party has to apologize to you for whatever they did or whatever misunderstanding has happened. Anyway, moving on. So, are you able to absorb and digest all that is happening, both physically and emotionally? Take the time to make list and journal to sort through things. Drink water and detoxify your. Oh God, let it focus. So sorry, guys. Drink water to detoxify your physical body, and use meditation to clarify your mind. Let it open up and shine a light in your life. Cultivate good relationship. So hope this made some sense to you. I really hope this is a good. I think this, if you ask yourself these questions, I think it will answer a lot to you, and it has told like what you have to do. I think you've been killing yourself with a lot of questions, and now you're ready to move on. Now you're like, okay, I'm gonna move on anyway. If the answers are coming to you, yes, it's coming, and even if not, you are good without it. You had the strength to move on. Anyway, the second advice card is the Phantom Quartz. Do you go with the flow? Is change imminent? Are you able to accept a new life or a new way of being? The winds of change are blowing into your life. Transform and transmute the old and allow yourself to open to a new start. Dance a dance of joy and happiness as you spread your wings. And the butterfly. So you can be seeing a lot of butterflies as well, but I really love these oracle cards, man. It's really helpful whenever you're confused with life. So anyway, so this was pile number 1. It was really interesting. So will you reconcile? You will meet them, and it's in your hands of possibility. Will you want to make it forward with a union or not? That is the answer. I hope this reading helped you. I'm really sorry if there was any poor audio, and if you loved the reading, please do subscribe to my channel. It really encourages me to do more videos, guys. And do leave a comment. Tell me how resonating the reading was, and if you want me to do any other topic pick a card readings, do let me know. I would love to read your comments as well. Thank you so much, pile number 1. See you next time. Hello pile number 2. Let's see, will you reconcile with this person or not? Okay, so okay. Okay, pile number 2, just give me a moment. Okay, so pile number 2, the first energy that I'm getting is you're very terribly angry at this person. Angry, hurt, and disappointed. And if they come back to you, possibilities that you might be saying a rigid no. I do get that. Or you're just not interested to reconcile with them, but I don't know why you clicked on this video. Yet you do want to meet them, even though you want to say no, because I'm having but secretly you do want them back. A lot of mixed energy here. I don't know, you want to reject them and you do want to meet them, because I think you're in a good position of life, or you just want to talk to them. Maybe you have just met them once in your life and you just want to meet them. One story. And the second story is Second story is, I feel like you might meet his or her parents before you meet them. Yeah. Especially, I feel like the person on your mind's mom wants to meet you. Yeah, I'm getting that feeling, and you have been trying to manifest this meeting or reconciliation, or you just want to see them again, but universe wants me to say that you have been I do realize you have been doing some affirmations, you've been meditating. Why it's not working is that you've been manifesting from a state of anger and hurt. As I told you, even if they come back, you'll be angry enough to reject them, but you do want them back, right? That's why you clicked on this video. But you just want to show your anger, but that doesn't mean you don't love them as well. So when this reconciliation happens, or if you have been doing some manifestation practices, bring some love into the situation. Love is the superpower which will create miracles. If you're going to manifest this with some hate, or you just want to meet them so that you can just give them the pain, or just ask them or scream at them, that's not going to work out. Then the sun will be in reversal. So the sun can turn upright when you can manifest with love. And what I mean is, if you have been writing some scripting, just make sure you have a good clarity conversation. Just try to bring out the positivity in your vortex. Try to make sure that when you meet them, make sure you'll be calm enough. Like when they approach you, just be calm enough so that you don't make it so hard for them as well, because I do see a happiness that can come from here. As you can see, it's a good card. 9 of Cups is actually a satisfactory card, but it's in reversal because you want to ask them a lot of questions. You want to ask them, you need a lot of clarity, and that's why the sun is in reverse. And the sun can be upright when you're not that too closed off, or you're not too that cold towards them. Yeah. And bring love to the situation and believe in the impossible. So if they have not been surprisingly not texting you or calling you all of a sudden, it's because you just have to bring some more love into it if you want to reconcile with them. Yes, and don't worry, I did take an oracle card for you, and the crystal you've got is the dogtooth green moss calcite. Are you ready for your freedom and forward movement? Is it time for you to move on, or make it easy for someone else to do so? Be ready to take a journey. You may decide to take a journey within, or you can decide to journey into the nature to restore your freedom and inner strength. Recognize your gifts of nature and align with the nature's pharmacy from animals and plants. Isn't it beautiful? If you want, you can ask these questions. You can pause the video and hope this makes some sense to you. This is your guide advice for you. So just be ready to take a journey. That is something that is popping out separately for me, because I do feel like there is a journey where try to be open, because the Queen of Swords, sorry guys, the Queen of Swords is about using intellect. So the more data you get, the more open-minded you become, right? So now you don't have enough data, and that's why you're so cold towards them. Once you have like a calm, a productive conversation, I think things will change, and there can be a union that will happen, a happiness that will come, because it's not like this is actually a mutual feelings, guys. I promise you that. So both of you do have a mutual understanding and feeling. Both of you want it to happen. The sun can happen, but currently, due to misunderstanding or the lack of communication, is what is kind of in the boundary. So one of you have to kind of step up have a good conversation regardless. Ask them why it happened, what happened. Try to get to know them, and things will be solved. And then be ready to take a journey, and then take a call. So since this is going to be a no contact situation, that is also I'm seeing that. So since it has been a no contact situation, have a clarity and then be ready to take a journey and then take a call. That is the advice. So hope this was useful, and if it did, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. It really encourages me to make more videos. So I'll see you next time. Thank you, pile number 2. Bye. Okay, we are done. And the pile number 3. Okay, pile number 3, will you reconcile with that person on your mind? Oh, it's a good start. This is the most positive reading I've got till now. Pile number 3. Okay, conclusions are within. Oh my god, this is like the best pile. Oh, it's pile number 3. Okay, so if you have someone in mind or not, oh definitely, or not, there doesn't matter, there's someone who is going to approach you back. Definitely someone, and in fact someone along with his family is going to approach you. I this Empress energy, I really feel like a motherly vibe. I really see a mother figure here. So definitely someone and their entire family is ready to accept you, and there is a strength card. So here I do see like there is definitely that something happened between you guys which have made an awkward situation, to be honest, because the strength is about taking courage to ask out again. The strength also speaks about trying to move forward and accepting the past and then moving forward. It's not like they're not going to apologize and then moving forward. There is not going to be any blame game and moving forward. It's about equal give and take. It's going to happen, and now they recognize that the person on your mind or anybody is whoever is going to come new. So that reconciliation, I mean, oh, I'm so happy for you guys. This is like the best pile I've got till now. And I don't see the cards until I do and switch on the camera. I promise that. So you and your loved ones are safe. If you're worried that your person is not single or not, no, they are single and they are available. And conclusions are within reach. With the 8 of Swords, of course, you will get a communication from them, or text, a call. Or if you have been thinking like, should I approach them, will they pick my call or not, I think it's really safe for you to approach them, and they will be really sweet to you. I don't know why I heard the word sweet, but anyway, so I feel like they will make up the whole conversation, even though you just called for borrowing or they will not make it like a short conversation. Even if you say hello, I think they'll just pick up the conversation from there. They'll be ready to ask questions, and they will be ready to pick up the conversation. They try to keep you in their life. So wonderful. I really do. I am getting this message that if you did, or any communication is going to happen, they might invite you to a movie, and there will definitely be a popcorn bowl involved. I don't know why I'm seeing that. I am getting that information, that channeled message. There will definitely some popcorn is going to be involved. Need not be at movies. Maybe, I don't know how. I really feel like maybe you like popcorn or they like popcorn. I don't know why I'm getting that popcorn, but popcorn or any healthy snacks, I don't know, but mainly popcorn. It's so weird. I got this channel message, but anyway, moving on. So will you reconcile? Definitely. And it's not just reconciliation, it's reconciliation leading to a marriage, and the family might also approach you. And yes, I do took a advice card for you guys. It's the Desiccated Jasper. So Jasper, how's your stamina? Do you feel healthy and strong? Do you let yourself relax and spend time with your family or group of friends? Take time to renew yourself with the comfort of your favorite people. Spend some time and companion of the opposite gender to balance your energy. Exercise such as running or power walking will help you to increase your endurance at this time. Okay. Basically, I feel like the universe is trying to make you to be the best version of yourself. This is what I'm hearing. Try to become the best version of yourself, because all the good things are aligning up for you. And it's been told, like, when you give some physical activity to your body, like exercise, it can be any kind of workout, it really raises up your vibration. And really, with all these good cards, the universe is really begging me to tell you that, in fact, universe is begging you to be the best version of yourself, so that you can manifest all this quickly. So that don't wait, and there are definitely amazing times ahead. So pile number 3, I'm really happy with this reading. If you did like, and if it did resonate at all, do give me a thumbs up, do leave me a comment as well, and definitely do subscribe to my channel. I'm really happy that you clicked on this video. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.